Good morning, class. So today we are going to discuss about the types of budget. Okay, there are different types of budget, or we can say there are mainly two types of budgets. First is balanced budget, and second one is unbalanced budget. Okay, unbalanced budget again we can classify it in two parts, which are surplus budget and deficit budget. Okay, so one by one we discuss about the types of budget. So beta first budget is balanced budget. As name suggests that it is a balance between expenditure and income of the government. Okay, so we can say that a balanced budget is that budget in which government receipts are equal to government एक्सपेंडिचर. ओके, जब गवर्नमेंट की रिसीट और एक्सपेंडिचर इक्वल होते हैं that is known as balanced budget. Okay, how can we define surplus budget? Surplus means profit, additional income. Okay, so can you give me the definition of surplus budget on the basis of its name? As I told, that surplus means profit, additional profit. When government will have profit? When its receipts are more than its expenditure. Okay, so how can we define the surplus budget? It is an excess of revenue receipts over the revenue expenditure or total expenditure. Okay beta, and third is deficit budget. What will be the deficit? Meaning of deficit is shortage, lacking, kami. So when expenses are more than income, it is known as deficit budget. Okay, I hope all the three types are clear to you. Okay, now we will discuss about the merits and demerits of balanced and unbalanced budget. First is merit of balanced budget is the government does not indulge in wasteful expenditure. Okay, if there is a balanced budget, then it means government is not involving in wasteful expenditure. And second benefit is it ensures financial stability. Okay beta, so these are the two merits of balanced budget. What are the demerits? So first demerits is it does not provide any solution to the unemployment problem. Okay, if you are spending the amount which you have earned only, it means you are not doing welfare work, or it will lead to the unemployment. And second one is it does not conducive to the growth of less developed countries. Okay, and if your country is less developed or undeveloped, then this budget is not considered suitable. Why? Because for developing you need to spend more and more amount. Okay, second beta, advantages of surplus budget. So surplus budget is desired when there is a situation of the inflation in the country. Okay, what happens in surplus budget? Your income is more than your expenditure. It means you are expensing less amount. And I have taught you in previous classes that how can government control inflation by holding the money. Okay, so this is the main advantage of surplus budget. What is the disadvantage or demerits? So simply we can say a surplus budget tends to lower level of aid in the economy. It is not desired during the period of depression. If there is any deflation condition or depression period, then this budget is not suitable for that condition. Okay, then third is what are the merits of deficit budget? So in simply we can say if your country is developing or less developed countries, then this budget is more suitable. Okay, as you will have to spend more and more amount for the growth of the economy. And demerit is it is not desired at the time of inflation. Okay, if there is a condition of inflation, then this budget is not desirable. Okay, if we talk about conclusion, then which budget is good budget? So deficit budget is considered a good budget. Now it is your homework to find out why deficit budget is considered a good budget. Okay, thank you so much.